Hello, this is Sofia Martinez with Awaken Your Soul. Today, I wanted to do a video about the difference between your intuition, your logic, and making choices from your energy. As you know, I have a training, free training that is for you, that it's 3 simple steps to move from impossible to I am possible. And this training, I simply guide you on connecting with your vision. And as you connect with your vision, you begin to tune into the energy of the vision. I use the vision as a way of another star, your guidance, your guiding star, to serve you, to bring that life that you want to create and the frequency that you want to embody into life, into being. And so the vision serves as that catalyst to understand and begin to embody one step at a time your vision, that frequency. You might have at the beginning of the vision that, it looks a certain way, but you'll see that through the training, I guide you through coming back into the energy, how it feels to live your vision. That's the important key, because that's going to be your guidance system. And so I want to bring this piece about the differences between making choices from your intuition, from your logic, and from your energy. And so this, I realized, I think I have shared before too, that I have a lot of air in my chart. So what does it mean? I'm very mental, but also I have a lot of vision. I am highly sensitive to energy, to intuition, and the subtle realms. And so what happens to me, and maybe you can relate with me, is that when I meet somebody, or when I start thinking about my vision, I start getting not only images, I start also getting, and this is a practice, a sense of actually living there, of being there. And so I have an experience, a physical experience, and therefore I have an emotion. I'm feeling the energy, because the emotion is energy in motion, right? And so when that happens, what is happening is like I am tapping into that potential. I am tuning in into that potential, into that radio potential. The piece here for me has been learning how to stay grounded in reality as I am tuning into that radio and that frequency and that stream of possibility. It's easy for me to lose sight of what is the reality of, like, what is the envisioning and what is the reality here. So practices of coming back into present moment and taking note of what's real, what is happening here in present time, is key. This happens to me a lot, specifically too in relationships, for example, with another. Or if I have, a vision in I don't know, something that I'm doing and creating, and then right from the envisioning of infinite possibilities, pure potential, I have an experience, I have a vision that comes. And then when the practice is to staying in tune to that, to your northern star in alignment, but also grounding in reality. So the dance between the envisioning your intuition and following your intuition, while at the same time using your logic, using your rational mind. It's like, okay, this is right here. What is happening right here at this level? And how can I continue being in alignment? That's why the energy piece is key, because this has helped me so much to stay in alignment to that vision, but also while stayed incorporated, embodied in reality, in present moment. and checking in the progress and to what's real and what's becoming and what's evolving and what's what. And so the key that you'll see in my training and now as I'm sharing with you, it's been in connection to your body. And so connecting, let's say, the energy, the main energy of your vision is peace and excitement. Okay, so when you are envisioning and there's those images coming through and then you bring it into your life, the reality here, noticing before you're taking action, it's like tuning in into your body, bringing that, let's say, that choice into your physical body, down into your belly, and checking in within yourself how your body responds. If the energy that arises within you is of excitement and peace, then you're alignment to your vision. If it's not, then it's not in alignment. Because it's easy to fall into just the logic and just go with your logic, and it's also easy to go just with your intuition and fall into the infinite potential that might not be what the frequency that is here happening right now. So I have found through my ears that for me the key is tuning into my body, using all of the tools that we have as human beings, using my intuition, using my logic, and using the guidance system of the emotion, of the energetic of my body as I tuning into my body. And it takes a little bit of practice because through, the world that we're living in today, we have become so desensitized from our body. And so having the practice and the daily practice of just tuning in into your heart, breathing in silence and tuning in into that frequency of your vision. Let's continue with the example of peace and excitement. Again, anytime there's an opportunity that comes in, check in. How does it feel? Bring that opportunity in. Let's say it's, a new connection with a potential, I don't know, client or investor, or a potential of a new relationship, whatever that is. You bring in the energy of the experience, the new job, the investors, the new relationship. You bring it into your body, the energy into your body, all the way down into your belly, and you breathe there. You come inwards and you breathe. And it's like if you're standing, you have, either ingested as food that experience, that energy of your stepping into it. So either way, whatever image works best for you. And just stay with the energy and see what emotion arises within your body. If the energy that arises is an energy that perhaps is uplifting, it's exciting, it's in alignment to peace, then it's a yes. Go for it. If you're feeling drained, if you're feeling like confused, that's an indication that when you say yes to that experience, that's most likely gonna be your experience of draining, of confusion. And let me tell you here in this right now, there's no right or wrong. You can say yes to that experience. You're gonna learn from it. There's something valuable that you're gonna learn. If your vision is in alignment to excitement and peace, then when you say yes to that experience and there's confusion and draining, you're gonna learn more about how to be and nurture and cultivate your peace and be in peace with yourself and be excited with yourself and with what you're doing in relationship to that experience. And so in a way, every single step that you're taking, every single choice that you're making, it is in service to your vision. So the thing is that you're making as tuning in and choosing from an energy level, then you just don't have to go through it. You know, you can just say no. You don't have to learn through that experience. You can just say no and go to the next that is it is in alignment. If that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. So knowing that every single experience in your life is an opportunity for you to deepen the knowing within yourself and learn and therefore grow. Um, and so let me know what do you think about this information and this video, and please subscribe if you find my content that is serving you. I would love to hear your comments about this and your experiences as well. You'll see the link of my training down below, and it will be a video up here as well that you can find also the link and a little bit more information about the training. I send you lots and lots of love. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.